Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this rear light on a Skoda Octavia 2 from 2010. So what you need to do, get one of these tools and start moving all the way through here and slowly getting this lens out. It doesn't necessarily have clips, it just kind of locks with these two things in place, and it has the latches on the bottom. So it's out, and let's throw away the dead bugs. So to open this up further, we need to undo the two Phillips screws. Is this? This is a clip, sorry, I didn't notice it. That's a clip, and there's another clip on that side. So in theory, if we pull on those clips, yeah, it will release. It's a bit different, it seems, from front. And if you want to fully take this out, clips on both sides of this, so you just pull on them and lift the connector. If for any reason you need more room in here, and I do because I'm pulling some cables and I need to be able to put my hand in there, this is just a metal clip that clips in there. So you can just squeeze it and get it out, and then to put it back in, you just push it in place. Slack wire zip tied in here, and it will stay on the side. I'm putting this thingy back in place right here. It will lock by itself. Yeah, I need both hands to do this. After that's in, we can put again this thingy back. It locks, and put in its screws. And it's working just fine. Now put this thing like that. Do not break it, so just slowly push it in place, and it's locked. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.